Today is so sunny and warm. During such days, I clearly understand how important nature for us humans, because we evolved in nature, we lived in nature hundreds of thousands of years, and we live in concrete jungles just literally yesterday. Whole our development happened in nature. That's why so important for us to have a walk, to interact with nature. Scientists studied a lot of cases where nature positively influence on human health, mental health and physical health. And I remember experiment when people after surgery more faster recovered in rooms with the view to the trees than rooms where the view was on a concrete wall. And it's so positively influence on our mental health and our physical health. Even we experience not good weather, as you can see now here. Even you get a cold, experience cold. If even you think you're just suffering from nature, but in reality any interaction with nature is good for health, and it's very important to remember it. Of course I understand everyone, most of all every people talk to each other that I haven't free time to have a walk, to interact with nature, but I think everyone should stop all stuff, all day routine, and have a walk and interact with nature. Look at this beauty, so beautiful. Kids riding scooters, people walking. It's great.